So I'm here with Super 7 goal winner Johnny Evans. John, I lost for words when you scored that. What was going through your head to bicycle kick in on the 93rd minute, 12 yards out?
Well, to be honest with you, Caddy's done really well. The ball's come out, he's got, I think it's hit his face. And as it's just dropped me on the edge, it's sitting up lovely, and because obviously it was all tight behind me, I couldn't really turn. So the ball's sitting up nicely, so I've just gone for the bicycle kick, and thank God it's gone in. But very, very happy. 3 points is amazing today, so I'm happy we got that 3 points, and push on now to next week. Massive game in Ponty.
As you said there, massive 3 points there as well, but you must be pleased as well as a squad, because that was quite a battling performance needed at times today. We were under the cosh for long periods.
Yeah, I mean, for myself personally, a mixture of emotions. You know, when you're on the bench, it's hard, and because you're going to head and kick every ball with everybody. So coming on to such a high tempo game, it's hard to catch your breath at times. But there wasn't much in the game, to be honest with you. There wasn't many chances either end. You know, Turner is obviously he's a hero today, saving the penalty. But apart from that, I don't think they really worried us in front of goal that much. You know, they're obviously a threat from set pieces, and you know that game was a bit of a nothing game, and I think probably a draw was a fair result for the neutral. But obviously, from my point of view, I'm just glad we won today, and it's obviously perfect to get the winner as well.
And you'll see on your own goal of the season competition with your goal against Flint in the previous section away from home. I must be just chuffed to get in amongst the goals this season as well.
Yeah, perfectly. It's been a long time coming, really. I didn't get much game time last year, and I didn't really get a chance to show what I can do. So credit to the club for giving me another chance this year, and you know, showing people what I can do, and I can be a threat for the club.
Johnny, many congratulations.
Thank you, mate. Cheers.